Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a new page in Notion using two simple ways, including a way to bring up the AI chatbot. First, look at the private section in your left sidebar. Hover over it and click the small plus sign in the middle left that says Add a Page. This lets you create a page inside your private section. Another way is to click the memo icon that says Create a New Page at the top left next to your profile picture and name. This creates a page at the top of your workspace. Once your page opens, rename it at the top. For example, My First Notion Page. Click below the title and start typing. Press Enter to create new lines. Next, type a / to open block menu. And then press the spacebar. This opens Notion's AI chatbot. From here, you can ask Notion to help you write text, generate lists, or suggest ideas. And that's it. Your new page is ready, with AI help if you want. Quick FAQ. What's the difference between a page and a database in Notion? A page is a simple space where you can write notes or content. Databases are more advanced and optional, so you don't need them to get started. Another common question: can you delete your first page later? Yes, you can safely delete a page anytime, and it won't affect your Notion account. And that's how to create your first page in Notion. Like and subscribe for more.